Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. This is Karen Denton, your KSC bidding consultant. And today I like to ask the question: are you stuck doing all the cleaning yourself instead of running your business? Well, today we're going to talk about the difference between the tech mindset versus the business owner mindset. So, the tech mindset is focusing on doing the work rather than growing the business. Believes nobody can do the job as well as they can, work long hours but struggles to scale. And I'm gonna tell you at the beginning, you really think that you scale by getting more contracts. You do, but not if you're cleaning, because you got to remember we only have so much energy that we can even clean. So you can get more work, but you can't do all the cleaning. And so you have to, that's when you have to get out the cleaning, the tech mindset, and get into the business owner mindset, because the business owner mindset focuses on systems, delegation, and revenue growth. They invest in employees and automation to free up time, spends time on strategies, client relationships, and scaling. Like, for example, if you're the one cleaning every office yourself, your income is limited by the number of hours you can work because you only have so much energy. But if you hire and manage a team, your income grows while you focus on bringing in more contracts. Because, see, the more people you have, the more you can grow. But first, you got to let go and you got to learn to trust that the people you hire can do the job as well as you, because that's what keep you stuck. I know this is our baby. This is, we got everything invested in this, but you have to learn to trust somebody so that you can grow your business, because you need to work on your business, not in your business. So let's talk about how to shift your mindset. Like I said, accept that growth requires letting go. You got to let go and trust that somebody can do what you did. Train them. Explain. I want to explain why delegating is necessary for scaling. You have to eliminate the common fears, like, what if the employee don't do the job as well as I do? That's the part you got to let it go. The solution is create training systems to ensure quality control. Start thinking like a CEO instead of asking, how can I clean more buildings? Ask, how can I build a team that can clean more buildings for me? Focus on strategy, marketing, and client relationships instead of just service execution. Delegate and build a team. Hire and train employees to handle cleaning jobs. Assign trustworthy team leads to oversee jobs. I always assign a team lead on any job that there's more than two people. I assign, or more, yeah, at least two people. I assign somebody as a team lead. Set clear expectations and accountability, like checklists, quality inspections. Use employee incentive to maintain service quality. Systemize your business operations. Use your standard operating procedures for cleaning and business tasks. Invest in software for scheduling, payroll, and client management. Create repeatable processes so your business runs without you being hands on. And as a business owner, we focus on growth. Spend your free your time up so you can do marketing, lead generation, networking, and forming business to business relationships or partnerships. Bidding on larger contracts, because when you bid on larger contracts, you can't just do it in one day. It takes time. So work on your business, not just in your business. What I had to do when what I had to do first, I had to trust somebody. Then recently, what was really a pain point for me was doing payroll. Now, what I had to do was jump in and jump out of things. Like, let me just get to the payroll part. So now that I don't do payroll, because that was the most stressful thing for me to do in my business. So every time I do payroll and I watch them numbers go up, I break out in the sweat. I start getting all stressed out and stuff. So now I delegated that. I don't feel that no more. Now I say, what's my payroll total? I verify the payroll and I'm good. I just worry about getting the money. See, now I know to watch for what my business needs and what my business needs are and what my business wants. So gotta eventually practice jumping in and out of your business. Like every new account, I'm there. For one, I still am the only one to do the walkthroughs. So I have to go there because nobody knows the building except for me. I might could send them the pictures I took, but that's still not. So I make sure the building's to my standard, and then I turn it over. Um, so I'm always there on the first clean. Now, when I have projects and I have contractors that I can trust, and I know that they perform 100%, I can let them go on projects, and I don't have to be present. So you work up to all of this stuff. So set a goal to hire your first employee or team lead within the next 30 days. Spend at least 1 hour per day working on marketing, networking, seeing what's out there that you can put on your calendar to make sure you attend, and in sales instead of cleaning. You can focus on sales instead of cleaning. Create a basic training system so employees can follow your standards without consistent supervision. And I had to grow to that as well because I'm telling you, when you let go of your sites, you got to follow up and make sure that they're doing it. Don't wait till you get a complaint or wait until you lose it to discover that they wasn't doing a good job. So you have to be working on your business instead of in your business to do that. So that's kind of all I have for y'all today. I just wanted to just say, if you want to grow, you need to stop being the worker and start being the leader. You really do, and you have to do it soon. What's the biggest challenge stopping you from stepping into the business owner role and out of the tech role? Comment below. Subscribe for more business tips for your cleaning companies. I'll see you guys on the next video.